In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Insightly for project and contact management. We will start by adding a contact, because good project tracking begins with having the right people in your system. From the main navigation, click Contacts, then select Plus New Contact. Enter the person's details carefully, since this record can be connected to projects and other work later. When you are finished, save the contact so it becomes available for linking. Next, take a moment to connect that contact to other important records. Open the Related tab on the contact. This is where you can link the contact to organizations or opportunities. These connections add context, so you can see who the person works with and what business activity they are associated with. Keeping these relationships accurate makes reporting and follow-up much easier. Now you are ready to create a project. Click Projects, then choose Plus New Project. Add the project information so it is easy to recognize later, especially if you manage multiple clients or internal initiatives. After the project is created, look for the Links section. Use this area to link the project to the contact you added earlier. This step is important because it ties your project work directly to the people involved, giving you a single place to view related communication and progress. With the project set up, you can begin documenting work. Click Activity, then enter the details of the activity you want to record. Be clear and specific in your notes so anyone reviewing the project later can understand what happened and what the next action should be. Save when you are done to keep the activity in the project timeline. To assign work, go to the Activity tab again. Choose to add an activity, and then select Add Task. Enter the task information so responsibilities are clear. Well-written tasks help prevent missed steps and keep everyone aligned on what is expected. For progress tracking, click Pipelines within the project. This lets you follow the project through its stages, so you always know where it stands at a glance. Finally, use milestones to set key deadlines. Milestones highlight major checkpoints and help you manage timing, especially for projects with multiple phases. That covers everything you need to know.